Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix printer spooler problems on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing we want to do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Go to bottom next to the start. You're gonna have search button, click on it and write services. Open services application. Now when you're gonna be here and you're gonna open services app, you want to find print spooler, double click on it, and then when you're gonna be in print spooler, you can simply press stop and then start. That's the first thing that you want to do. So stop and start, click on it, and this is the first thing that you need to do. The second thing is under task manager, right click on the start. Under task manager you're gonna see settings, and then under system you're gonna have troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and you want to run it for printer. So yep, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.